You've just created the best edit of your life. You spent 5 hours laser focused on it, but when you try to export it, it doesn't work because you're broke and can't afford CapCut Pro. Don't worry about it. Today, I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro without paying a single cent. Here is your edit, ready to be exported, but as you can see, it doesn't work because we don't have CapCut Pro. But let's solve this problem. First, press Ctrl+A, right-click on any clip, and click Create Compound Clip. Now, search for Motion Blur. Once you find it, enable it and set the value to 0. Now, wait for it to load. The time it takes depends on the length of your video. Alright, now that the motion blur has loaded, press Windows+R on your keyboard and type this in. When you open it, you probably won't see the app data folder. So, go here, then click here, and finally enable this option. Now, you can finally click on App Data. Click on Local, then click on CapCut. Now click on User Data, go to Cache, and look for Motion Blur Cache. Once you've found it, click on it, and your video will be there. I usually do this in an open tab. I grab the video I want to export and drag it to CapCut. So after that, you delete the old edit and finally manage to export your video without paying a single cent. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and leave a like.